ball caught in the gully. Wasim Akram has his first test wicket. Salim Malik's taken the catch. That's a big moment for the 18-year-old, and a good innings from John Wright, out for 66.
Well, let's have a look at this delivery from Wasim Akram, short outside the off stump. John Wright didn't really get over the top of it. He just played it away into the gully region.
So Smith snicking Akram to slip, and Mandad takes a brilliant catch, and Smith is out for 7, and New Zealand lose their 8th wicket at 411.
It was a foolish delivery. Moving away from Smith, he went for the drive, got that thick outside edge, and it flew to Mandad, who did well, took a good catch. And again, from another angle, flying to Mandad, who took it.
Richard Hadley preparing now to bowl to Wasim Akram. Nasty first ball for the tall left-hander, but he kept it down pretty well. Akram yet to score. Field from the New Zealanders, and Wasim Akram is out, caught in close by Martin Crowe. The first wicket of the morning has fallen, and Pakistan are 151 for 9.
See that again. Rather a tight bottom hand grip which lifted the ball in the air, and that's the job done for the New Zealand.